I'm Luke Caudry and I undertook an apprenticeship within Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. An apprenticeship is a paid job where the employee learns and gains valuable experiences. Alongside on-the-job training, an apprenticeship includes paid employment with holiday leave, hands-on experience in a sector or role of interest, at least 20% off-the-job training, and a formal assessment which leads to a nationally recognised qualification. The UHB offers a wide range of apprenticeships including business administration, digital administration, IT, healthcare science, building services engineers, and many more areas are also in the pipeline, so keep your eyes peeled. I love being part of the UHB and feel that I'm a valued member of the team and work with a variety of amazing people from various areas, from junior doctors to medical students. I enjoy engaging with different people, and this is one of the main reasons why I love my role. I chose to stay with Cardiff and Vale UHB because I feel there are great opportunities for me to grow. Thanks to undertaking my apprenticeship with Cardiff and Vale UHB, I have been successful in obtaining a permanent employment within the Health Board as a medical education assistant. The development and career opportunities are vast within the UHB, and I'm excited as to where my career journey will take me next. 3 words I would use to describe an apprenticeship include rewarding, supportive, and also demanding. We are the NHS. Choose apprenticeships.